This demo will show how to secure your APIs easily by specifying the security type, access scope, and testing. Let's begin by logging in as an API administrator and choosing the protection needed. The Front-End API tab shows a list of the available APIs. I'll select the Blockchain Checker API. We want to configure API key security for this API, so I will click on the Inbound Security field. This list shows all the types of security available out of the box. I'll choose API key, then define the values for API key field name and API key location in the pop-up window. Let's use the default values of key ID and request headers. Now save the changes to complete configuration for API key security. The second step is to configure organizational access to this API. In the Front-End API tab, let's choose the same API. The Manage Selected drop-down list, choose Publish to make this API available. Now, configure who has access with Grant Access and select the organizations that can access the API. For now, let's just authorize only the FinTech organization, while the other organizations are still not authorized to consume the API. Now let's test the API for the desired API key security. First, log into the API portal as an app developer for FinTech organization. In the APIs tab, select the Blockchain Ticker API and click on the Test the API button to bring up the test page. Choose API key from the list and then select the Get method for this API. Click on the Try It Out button. The response from the backend service shows we have been successful. Now let's test the API with a different user that doesn't belong to the FinTech organization. Let's log out and re-log in with a different user. In the user's profile, we can verify that this user belongs to a different organization. Now in the API tab, the Blockchain Ticker API is not listed since the user's organization is not allowed to consume it.